pretty much all the smartphones released in the last months feature an all-screen design, which almost automatically carries a notch with it. But I guess at this point most people have gotten used to that. Chinese phone maker Ulefone then felt the urge to do the same, while focusing on the more budget-friendly side of the market. This brought us the Ulefone X. Ulefone X has been made official by the company. This is Ulefone's reply to Apple's iPhone X. It comes with the notched screen, iPhone X-like dual camera, and supports wireless charging. You get a 5.85-inch HD IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen that displays stunning visuals. The screen has 1512 x 720 pixels in resolution and 286 pixel per inch density, delivering clear videos. It has GFF full lamination and stretches up to 78% screen-to-body ratio. The Ulefone X is a beautiful device for its price range, coming with a full-screen design and sporting a 5.85-inch display encased in a full glass body both front and back. The smartphone also packs a power and efficient MediaTek MT6763 processor along with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. A good-sized 3300 mAh then fuels the entire device, which runs the latest Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. At the rear, the cameras are 16 megapixel 5 megapixel sensors with f2.2 aperture. The cameras comes with voice, optical zoom, HDR, ISO settings, 5P lens, dual-tone LED flash, and other internal features. While the 13 megapixel selfie camera and supports Face ID with fast and wireless charging technology with the fast charging feature. And the only certainties we have at the moment are the rear-mounted fingerprint scanner and the Android 8.1 Oreo operating system at the factory.